this here. And also for us. Yeah. The company, we are from Sweden, but the production is in Austria. And you sit in the middle, not left, not right. Ah, you are.
Ναι.
Does this look good?
One person in the middle.
Yes.
Eine Person in the center,
The
eh?
driver. Okay.
Driver in the middle. Yeah. Very dangerous driver.
Very dangerous driver. But no,
I
this is
look-
especially very secure. So you have a lot of cameras everywhere.
Ah,
You
I
have,
see.
also from the
here.
back. Yeah.
Give me,
so
give me.
it's Very
Sit,
safe. For,
sit here, sit. Okay.
All technology here.
Look.
Yeah,
I
lots of
see
technology.
here. I see
Ah,
here.
easy,
Yeah.
easy.
I see here. Okay. I see here. So I can do it. Touch screen here.
What is a mobile holder?
We do not think about it, but you can connect your phone to this one,
Here,
like
yes.
Apple
Ah,
Pay
okay.
or
Look
Android.
here, I talk with you.
Yeah.
I say hello. I say this. Okay.
Nice.
So beautiful.
This is for me, I cannot see well, so it's big.
Yes.
Very interesting.
Here, space. Some stuff. Here, look. Hang something. Okay.
Hang the jacket.
Yes. With two people left and right. Very beautiful.
Two
It
people
has
left and
USB chargers. Yes. Amazing.
This is good for UK and for Germany,
Amazing.
because UK drives from the other side,
Yes.
from German, so
Yes.
you can do
You're in
both.
the middle. I love it.
This is good for UK also. England.
Yes, basically our headquarters is in UK, and this is what.
You don't need to be from one side or another.
Yeah.
Center, it's, both.
But also in Europe, in Germany, we will use it. So it's not
Yeah,
only
yeah.
for.
Both.
So all countries the same cable.
Yes.
Yeah.
Australia, America,
Yeah.
Italy, Greece.
Okay. Hopefully.
Let's go see the fridge also in the back.
Proto.
Yes.
Proto means first.
Tight.
Yeah, it's the first prototype.
Greek word, prototype. Proto means first.
Yeah.
Can we open?
But it's we have some.
If it's difficult.
No, it's not difficult.
Okay.
We have some horses there.
Amazing.
Φέραμε ρε πως, What's that? Ωραίο. Nice. Nice.
Here are the technical
I want this
characteristics.
for a camper. Κοίτα.
Here. Okay.
Alles dabei.
You need.
Δεν είναι touchscreen, Why touchscreen? Oh, touchscreen. So big touchscreen.
Dimensions.
And the name of the vehicle, Fahrzeug, VOLTA Zero. VOLTA Zero, ladies and gentlemen. Viele Dank für deine Zeit, für for your time being in the video. Nice. You see this in the street, you see what's
Yes.
but if you watch Newcastle, you say, I know what it is.
Yes.
Δεν την κατάλαβες την κάνω τάκα. Δεν γέλασες, κυρία Μάγδα, δεν γέλασες. Δεν σας βλέπω να γελάτε.